Baking Relish, where we talk about all matters baking. In today's session, we are going to look at how to cream manually. I hope you remember that our last session was about dusting a baking tray. Now, what do you need for today's session? We need margarine and sugar. And, of course, you need your wooden stick. What you need to do is simply to take your sugar and pour it in the bowl that has the margarine. And then you start stirring. You keep stirring for about 5 to 10 minutes. The stirring process may take long depending on how you are stirring it, whether you're using a lot of strength, whether you're taking your time, or it can also depend on the type of margarine you have. We have margarines that have high fat content, then there's margarines that have low fat content and medium fat content. Mine has medium fat content. Now I'm just going to do this. You keep doing this until you mix. Keep stirring, because my margarine is has medium fat content. It may remove some liquid, and that is fine. You just keep stirring. That liquid will be incorporated in the end.
Go.
As you continue stirring, you will notice that the color and the texture of your mixture is changing. So you continue until you realize that your mixture is now light in texture, very pale in color, and fluffy. That is how you do what you need before proceeding with the entire cake preparation. See you next time.